This is the guitar video for the song Heat Wave. Heat Wave has a verse and a chorus and an introduction, and that's about all there is to it. There is a guitar solo, a great guitar solo, but those are the same chords as the verse. So here's the rhythm guitar part for the introduction. Starts off with a drum fill for the first measure, and then we come in with this, D to D suspended. Now take a look at your sheet that I gave you about those chords, but you'll see the D chord, normal D, and then we just put our pinky down on the first string at the 3rd fret. Leave all the other fingers down, that's how you get that suspended chord. And the rhythm is this. That's it. Slow, it's down, and then we put the suspended down, and I play down again, then I take it off, and then I do a quick up, down, and put the suspended on the downbeat. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4, like that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you see I'm doing an up strum at the end. Muffle it, because then we go to the pattern as we lead into the verse. Now, since the piano is also playing the same pattern, you could play this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And all I'm doing is I strum down 1, 2, 3. On the and of 3, I strum up on a D chord and down on the D suspended. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 1, and that's on the and of 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 2, 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and like that. So you could learn both of those, and maybe one guitar player does the first one, another guitar player does the second one. And it's just fine if you all do the second one because the piano players are doing the first pattern. So there's that. Then the fill starts on the line between the introduction and the verse. Starts on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, which is an A. We play A, B, A, F sharp. And that F sharp is on the 4th string at the 4th fret. So all together from the introduction to that fill into the verse sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And then we're into the E minor chord. So here's the verse. We have E minor, F sharp minor, B minor. And these are the F sharp minor and the B minor are bar chords. And so if you know how to play those, this will be something you want to do, and I'll show what variations using power chords in a moment. So here's the E minor chord, and the rhythm is dotted quarter, 8th, which is tied to a half note. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 measures are repeated again. And then it goes on to F sharp minor, or E minor, F sharp minor, G, A, and then it measures 17. We're back into the chorus, which is kind of like the introduction. All right, so let's take a look at that verse. You'll notice that you can either do all down, 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 and I put a muffle after the first drum. Or you could do down, up. 1. Okay. If you haven't learned the bar chords yet, you can do a power chord at the 2nd fret on the E string for your F sharp minor, and then a power chord on the 2nd fret of the A string. And I'm doing 3-finger power chords. So that'll also work for those. So that would sound like this. Here's the verse with power chords. 2, 3, 4. Now the G chord can shift that pattern up and now play that the power chord on the 3rd fret. And the A, you can either play here or shift it up to the 5th fret. And then we're at measure 17. Measure 17 is the chorus. Chorus sounds like this. So it's just like the introduction, but it's twice as long. It's actually 8 measures long. Okay? That is it for the verse and the chorus. The guitar solo at measure 45, just like a verse. Those are all the guitar patterns for the song Heatwave. After you've learned each pattern, speed them up, play it along with the recording.